Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And PCI device, it's coming the yellow icon. Okay, so I will show you PCI device, SMB's control, unknown device. You can see it will come in the other device. Okay, like here, other device. So how to fix it? So first, guys, need to install the driver of chipset. This is very important for your system. And suppose you are using the gigabyte motherboard driver, gigabyte motherboard, so you can go to this and type uh, gigabyte driver download. Okay, and if you are using different, so please comment me, I will create it. So you can enter the serial number, product name, like which is you using. Okay, you can also select the product like motherboard, serial, which is serial you can using giving this. Okay, and which model also. After that, select this and it will come like this, and then click to driver it. Scroll down, select all, click operating system. Now you can see this is chipset driver and this is Intel serial driver, and click this is download icon. So please download it. After that it will start a downloading, and then open file, and then right click to open. Then just double click it, and after that it will working and try again. Then click to ignore it, and it will start the background, and after that restart your system. Thank you.